Hey guys, thanks for coming back for another week. This is video 151.
If you're new to our channel, well,
welcome to
The Supers Have a Channel. In this video, we're going to take you through our trip to Chocolate World in Hershey, Pennsylvania. You are Hershey.
Welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Welcome to our dairy farm. Blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed.
Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction.
Thanks for joining us this week, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next week.